Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem many computer users face. The issue of dealing with a corrupt file that just won't cooperate. Picture this. You've been working hard on a project, and suddenly, the file becomes corrupted, leaving you in a panic. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. When faced with a corrupt file, the best course of action is to use a reliable file repair tool. One effective solution that's widely recommended is to use a specialized file repair software that can help you recover your data and get your project back on track in no time. In addition to using a file repair tool, another solution to consider is adjusting the file extension. By changing the file extension from .docs to .zip, for example, you may be able to access the raw data within the file and salvage what you can. This simple workaround can sometimes work wonders in recovering your important information. In summary, when confronted with a corrupt file, don't panic. Utilize a file repair tool, or try adjusting the file extension to potentially recover your data. Remember, there's always a solution to every problem. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below with your own tech horror stories. Stay safe out there in the digital realm.